It's dramatically different from traditional body and paint methods. I can't hide the work behind body filler, primer, and paint. The goal is to preserve the factory paint. At a body shop, they may have to blend, and it's very invasive. They have to take everything apart of the car, and then you're sanding, all sorts of materials you have to go through and use. So if you can avoid all that and just use paintless dent repair, it's always going to be the best outcome. It's just a much better repair. The cost savings are huge. You know, they'll charge you several $1,000s just for a small door ding, so it's very expensive to have paint work done. At a body shop, you're looking at, even just for a small door ding, probably 3 to 4 days in a shop, as opposed to here, where I can do that in just an hour. Paintless dent repair takes years to perfect. It's not really you go in and you just do a couple pushes and the dent is gone. I'll have, 50 or 60 pushes sometimes, plus all the metals come into play too at that point, whether it's aluminum or steel or high-strength steel. It's all different methods of repair. So you really have to know what you're getting into before you even start pushing on a dent. Having 15 years of auto body experience really helps with that, which is a big advantage that I have versus other PDR technicians. So having that background of collision has really excelled my progression in this skill. My customers can expect to get the highest quality level of repair and 100% honesty from me. Whether I think that dent can come out to 100% or not, I'm gonna let them know. If it's something huge or crazy, I will attempt it and just say, hey, if I can't get this out, you'll have to take it to a body shop. But at that point, I'm not gonna charge you anything for it. I don't take shortcuts. I work on the job until I'm satisfied with it, which is gonna be the best quality around.